Here we have a monumental ledger book from the early part of the 20th century. It is for a Rhode Island company. It's in this really nice binding, leather spine, giant raised bands, corduroy cloth cover, gilt lettering, and when we open it, we see this marbled end paper, reinforced as issued. It's made by the Blank Book Company here in Providence. And here is the rear, like so, with these end papers. And we'll notice that we have laid in at the front here loose, so a couple old receipts from the company itself, payment type slips, and here's someone doing math in columns. And here is a loose page from 1911, missing private cash. And it begins in August of 1908. And as you see here, it is just this endless profusion of entries, office salaries, unpaid bills, production ledger, and so on for this Bobbin company. And debit, credit, sundries, sales ledger like this, accounts payable, and that is what is all throughout here. This is for this factory company that clearly was substantial in size and had a very healthy, regular cash flow, like so. And it continues on like this. Most pages are filled out extensively. Mixed in are perhaps a few empty pages, but really the journal has been heavily utilized. It is the company's accounting book, so it's nice penmanship, and it does continue all the way through July of 1912. The final little couple leaves here are detached, but that's no real issue, like so. And actually, you know, I think what it is this is probably a supplemental sheet that was added later, but it's irrelevant. It's this is how it survives. Monumental item, one of a kind, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.